Tech Lab. This is an unboxing video of Teckcraft STEM hardware.
The box contains 200 plus electromechanical components for children to explore 100 plus technology experiments.
We have a chassis part, mechanicals box, electronics box, interconnects box, PCB box.
To explore autonomous vehicles and its functions, we will have to assemble the chassis.
More than 80% experiments are carried out using this main PCB or motherboard. No soldering activities for children, only placing components and connecting wires. This is one more automation PCB to simulate street light and traffic light concepts. This is a home automation PCB to simulate smart home using various sensors. The courses are hosted in our e-learning platform, with detailed step-by-step instructions for every experiment.